Hello. Hello.
How are you?
I am good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. We've spoken before, apparently.
Uh, Sorry?
We have had a conversation before. You from
Yeah.
India?
Yes, I am from India.
You're a
And you?
software professional?
No.
No?
I'm student.
Student. Are you
Yes.
studying? What are you studying?
Actually, I am studying in 11th class.
Oh.
Yes.
Does maybe somebody else use this account?
Sorry?
Does somebody else also use this account?
Uh, no.
No. Okay.
Yes.
I don't know where I got my software professional from then. I'm sorry. Okay, my name, you asked me my name, is that right?
No. What's your name?
Justine. How do I say your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. It's very
Yes.
nice to meet you. We'll see you again.
Nice to meet
um,
you too.
okay, do you have any questions for me?
Yes. Uh, mm, Can you teach me paragraph?
About reading paragraph?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Let's do it. Let me just find one that will be easy enough for you to read. Okay, let's find anyway, so it's actually okay, let's just do this one. Okay, I'm gonna share this with you. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you read the title for me?
Yeah. All Nip All Nippon Airways serves
Serves. Yep.
luxury meals on port plane.
Luxury meals.
Luxury. Yeah.
Good. Okay, so before we read the article, can you just read this word, the words in orange, meaning of the word, and how to use it in a sentence?
I cannot afford to stay at a luxury hotel.
Okay, perfect. But can you read the word in orange first, that one? Okay, and then this one, because this gives you the meaning of this word. Okay. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so read the word in orange, then the writing in light gray, and then the sentence in the box. Okay. Try again.
The tickets sold out before we could buy any.
Okay. Do you see this word?
Yeah. Sell
Okay.
out.
Okay.
Sell out.
Yes. And this one?
Luxury.
Okay. Can you read this?
Yeah. Expensive and of very high quality.
Good. And this?
Mm, to sell all available items. Uh, Tickets extra.
Etc. Good. Now the same for this one. Read this one first, and then this, and then this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Board.
Yes.
To get on a ship, plane, train,
Plane.
or bus.
Plane.
Is the
Ship plane.
ship, plane,
Good.
train, or bus? Is the flight boarding soon?
Good. Next one.
Uh, lounge.
Yeah.
A room or area for waiting passengers in an airport. We
Good.
sat in the departure lounge and had a few drinks.
Good. Departure lounge.
Departure lounge.
Good. Last one.
Delicious.
Good.
Having a very nice flavor.
Yeah.
Japanese food is delicious.
Good job. Okay, now for the article.
All Nippon Airways serves luxury meals on part plane. Japan's All Nippon Airways ANA has opened a luxury luxury restaurant on an airplane parked at Handa Airport, Tokyo. A meal at the winged restaurant costs hundreds of dollars per person, but it hasn't had any problems getting customers. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a major im- impact on the air travel industry, and with customers missing simply being on airplanes, some airlines have found new ways to make money by offering flying experiences such as flights that leave from and return to the same airport.
Very good.
ANA first opened the Winged restaurant for one day on March 31, with all the seats selling out before the event. Now, if it will open for another one day
Another.
and other 11 days in April.
Good. Can you read on?
Yeah.
At the
Daily
top.
news. Okay. Daily news. The restaurant is on a plane that's normally used for ANA's international flights, and guests can choose business or first class service, although there are no
Economy.
economy seats available. A business class meal costs 29,800 yen, or about $270. The first class meal costs 59,800 yens, or about $545. Guests can choose a Japanese meal or two different Western meal, one with fish and one with beef. And in first class, the beef meal uh, includes Japanese Vegas beef,
Wagyu.
Vegas beef,
Okay, I'm gonna have to stop you there.
Okay,
Good reading. It was nice to
Okay.
see you again, and I hope to see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.